one spicy beef patty, please. This time around, I didn't get the cocoa bread, and I don't think I'm going to be doing that anymore. I just, I don't know, it's too much bread, man. There's places that, like, I seen Drake make a Instagram thing where he had these patties and they were in a bun, and there was like, it looked like coleslaw and like some other stuff. And if it's something like that, you know, I might try it. I don't think I can do that for these videos though, because we're looking for the best beef patty, Jamaican beef patty in Toronto, in the GTA. And I think if you're going to be throwing it in like buns and all those toppings and all that, that's kind of like something different. So yeah, we're going to just stick with just plain spicy beef patties. All right, this one's from our second stop, the Patty King on Progress Avenue in Scarborough. This is from the place where they make them, so this one's going to be really nice compared to the ones that you get at a convenience store or at the grocery store. Like, those are frozen. This one was just made today. I don't know how long ago, but let's pull it up. Like, look at that, bro. Feels good. So this is like more of a traditional looking patty, yellowish, rounded, and pretty flaky. Let's bust it open, check out how much meat. This one feels like it has more meat than the last one. Yeah. Damn, my truck, bro. Holy crap. Yeah, look at all that meat. This guy's oozing meat. Anyways, let's try it out. Has, like, you could smell that curry smell more than the last one. Oh, fudge. Oh. Not spicy, just like really hot. Damn, I should have waited a minute. Such a mess. Oh well. Worth it, I guess. But yeah, check it out. Spicy beef patty from Patty King. The flavor is like pretty standard. Everything about it is pretty standard. I think this is what like a proper beef patty is, but it's really manufactured, whatever. I think it's one of the more popular brands in Canada. But yeah, it's good. It's not bad, but it ain't great. I'm gonna go with 7.6. Yeah, Patty King. Actually, this location has fucking crazy jerk pork and jerk chicken it comes with rice and peas and some coleslaw. It's like $7. It's massive too. But anyways, yeah, on to the next. All right, check this out. I have a little piece from the last place, Allen's. Look at that, the color difference. Meat looks very similar. Taste is different though. Yeah, this one's way more yellow. Usually patties are way more yellow. Like this, I don't know what this is. I don't even know if you could call this like a Jamaican beef patty. It has the flavor, but it has a slightly different flavor, and it doesn't have the yellow. I think that's turmeric or cumin or something they put in the flour. But yeah, man. Yeah, man.